Hello everyone, I'm Sona Bhatt and welcome back to my channel. If you have ever faced a job interview, you have probably heard this question. What are your strengths and weaknesses? See, it looks very simple. Sometimes people say, oh, strength and weaknesses. I can easily say this. But when it comes to job interview, most people struggle to answer this. Sometimes they freeze. Some people overthink about this question. And some say things that actually hurt their chances. So today I will help you to understand this. Why recruiter asks this question, how to give the best answer, what to avoid while answering this question, and I will also provide you best samples to answer as a fresher as well as professional. So make sure you watch till end because then only you will get all the details about this question and the perfect answer. Why do they ask this question? So let's first try to understand that why hiring team or recruiter ask this question. So it's very simple that they are not trying to trap you or trying to confuse you. If you are thinking that way, it's totally wrong. See, they want to know few things. First, do you know yourself? It shows if you have reflected on your strength and weaknesses. Are you aware about your weaknesses and your strength? And are you ready to fill the gaps? Are you ready to work on your weaknesses? And are you actually taking advantages of your strength? Second, they want to see whether you are honest and open for a discussion. If you can talk about your weaknesses in a mature way, it shows you are real and responsible. And that's what they want to see. Third, they want to gauge you whether you are a good fit for the organization or not. They want to check your weaknesses as well as your strength so they can ensure that your weaknesses will not create any problem while you are doing the job, or your strength will give power to the role. So your answers should prove that yes, you are self-aware, open for learning and professionally aligned with the role. So whenever you are talking about your weaknesses or your strength, you have to ensure that whatever you are saying, it should be professionally aligned with the target role. Let me tell you one thing. When I coach people, I always say, this is not just a question. It's your chance to show your mindset. So treat it like an opportunity. Now let's quickly go through what not to say while answering this question. Never say, I don't have any weaknesses. See, no one is perfect here. This sounds very dishonest and this is a big question mark to your honesty. Never say, my strength is hard work. It's too generic, like everybody is hardworking. Who will say that I'm not hardworking? So don't say this. Never say I trust people so easily or I get emotional. These are very personal things, not suitable for a professional interview. You have to remember this thing very clearly that you need to give answers that are relevant to your work. It should be very clear and it should show your growth. No personal attachment related statement for answering this question. Now let's break it down into two parts, strength and weaknesses. How to talk about your strength. So the very first step is read the job description. Because if you are going for the interview, you should be very aware about the job responsibilities. If the job is for team role, then you have to highlight your teamwork. If it is client facing, talk about your communicational skills as your strength. So it is totally depending upon the job's requirement and then you have to convert your strength according to the job's requirement. Step 2 is choose 2 to 3 strengths that matches with the job. Think about what you are good at and don't fake it up. Just read the job description carefully and identify what you are good at and back it up with a short story. Okay, when you are saying communication, give some examples. Step 3 is keep it very relevant. Even if you are great at painting, don't mention it unless it is connecting with the job. The least bothered about your painting skills, it should be connecting with the job's requirement. If you are an experienced professional, use this as an example. If you will see, we use time management here as a key skill because when it comes to project, time management matters a lot. Here, you are not only managing one task, you are managing multitask and that's your time management skills. That's why you are able to handle so many tasks at the same time. You are also talking about your technical skills and how you are helping the team. Because of your time management, you are able to handle multiple tasks and also able to handle the team's requirement and you are helping team as well. This is a perfect answer for a professional experienced person. Now, if you are a fresher, you can say something like, I would say my strength is my quick learning. As a fresher, the more quick you will learn, the more good experience you will gain. So you have to talk about your internship and how in your internship you have learned new tools, new skills, and how you are going to use these skills and all these learning for the job. And when you are answering this question, ensure that you are using the tools and skills aligning with the job's requirement. You have gone through with the jobs requirement, you have gone through with the GD, and now you are aligning your skills and your strength with the roles requirement. That way you will sound like, yes, I am the right person for the role, and hiring team or recruiter will also feel like, yes, the requirements of the role is this, and this fresher or a professional, experienced professional also having the same skills or the strength, and this person can be a good fit. Now let's talk about your weakness. This is where many people panic. Let me give you a simple rule. First, choose a weakness that is real, but it should not be critical. Critical in sense, the weakness should not create any problem in your working life. See, only talking about weakness is not going to help. You also have to show, yes, I'm working towards my weakness. First, I identified my weakness, and then I am trying to overcome my weaknesses, and what step I have taken to overcome my weaknesses. So that way the perfect answer will be there. Let me give you the sample answer for this. You can say something like, I used to hesitate to ask questions. I had difficulty delegating tasks. See, I used here past, I had. I spoke too fast when nervous. So all these are talking about in the past. I focused too much on small details. Everything we talked about in the past, no present. When we are saying past, that means it was my weakness. Don't say I get angry very easily, I can't work with others, or I'm always late, because these show a negative attitude and are red flag. Also, these are personal traits, and personal traits are something that cannot be easily changed, and you should avoid saying all these things. Now, let's talk about a perfect example for experienced candidate. You can say something like, earlier in my career, I found it hard to say no to requests. I would take on too much and feel overloaded. But over the time, I have learned to prioritize tasks and communicate clearly. So I stay focused and deliver quality work. See, this way you are saying that yes, you have some weakness earlier, but now you are working on it and it is resolving. Second answer, as a fresher, you can say, one area I have been working on is public speaking. I used to get very nervous during class presentation, but I have been taking small steps to resolve this. Now I am working with my friends and I am working with my class fellows, and on a weekly basis we are conducting communicational session where we are talking about different subject matters, and slowly and gradually I am noticing that I have improved a lot. That way you are openly talking about your weakness. Have you noticed what we are doing here? We are being very honest, but we are also showing growth, and that's what interviewer want to see. See, everybody have weakness, everybody have strength. It is just that how confidently we are talking about our weaknesses and what are the steps we are taking to overcome our weakness. That is very important. One important thing while answering this question, keep in mind that you have to maintain a good positive body posture. The person you are answering is human. So you have to be very pleasant when it is required. Give a smile, maintain a good positive body language, and this will create very impressive effect in front of recruiter, because that builds the body connection, that builds a positive connection between you and the interviewer. So now you have all the important tools to answer this question confidently. You can now clearly give a perfect answer for what are your weaknesses or your strength. This one question can really help you stand out during the interview, and if you are going to present it very honestly, clearly and professionally, you will see that your chances of landing the dream job will be high. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment below your biggest takeaway from this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more simple yet practical job interview tips. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram for daily tips, reels, and the perfect content for your career journey. Thanks for watching and all the best for your job interview. I know you are doing so good. See you in the next video.